Home sweet home. Okay, pick up tools. Extinguisher. Oh, well, that is what an extinguisher does do. Sledgehammer. And spray can. Ooh. Alrighty, I think I wrote what I wanted to say. Oh, chair. Okay, we gotta turn on the fuse. Get out of my way. Oh, there's a bathroom. Well, not anymore. I wanna go in here. Yes. Banana. It's a $600 banana. It's like that one banana that was taped to the wall and then sold for like a lot of money. I don't know how much money. Oh, let's go. $600. I don't know how to get back out. That's fine. That's why there's boxes here. Well, I don't appear to be able to get out. Maybe I can like spray paint help. Oh, I kind of ruined the chance to. I think I'm stuck here. Gonna pay me to destroy a building. That sounds like a good thing. Where's the building? This is the building. 5.2 meters tall. Isn't this house like 5.2 meters tall? Oh, I see. Let's go and put this right there. Ow. Oh, ow. Wait, hold up. We're gonna use this. Yeah, let's go. Woo! So amazing. Wow. Oh, it's stuck. That's fine. It was fun while it lasted. I think the only thing holding it up is the bricks. So we just gotta remove the bricks. And then we'll be good. We gotta find some more bombs. Are there any in here? No. Ooh, there's bombs here. Did nothing. Oh no, that did do something. Oh, free couch. Let's go. We'll put this couch up here for safekeeping. Okay, this one should do it. Oh, just barely. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's fine. Ooh, fridge. I'm gonna take you with me. That's it. We're taking big car. Let's go. Oh. Oh no. Oh, we got it. We got it through. Oh. You know, I think we did some pretty good work here. So, we're gonna get out of here. Oh. Okay then. That is a floating couch. Ugh. 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 Ah, good morning. The Lee computers, okay. We're gonna have to, go and, probably, find some computers. I think there's, yeah, one there, and one there. Yep, everything's good. Let's go and take this, pick up target. Good. FBI, open up. Well, it appears that you have some great walls. Let's see. Oh, it appears that you have forgotten to get the second store windows, thing. I am through. This isn't the right room. Pick up target. Okay. We're going out of here. Okay, next target. Here. I'm gonna take this. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Woo! Let's go. Okay. What's all this machinery? We're gonna build our own staircases. Oh, that's fine. Yeah, see? Look at that. You know what? We're gonna put it through the window. I think that went very well. Okay, let's get out of here. I think I'm stuck. Let's go. Okay, they have new safety measures, so we go there, and go there. Okay. Oh. It's locked. That's fine. Is there a car around here? Found a car. Let's go. Is there anything in there? Oh, there is. Can't get through there. Yeah, I got an idea. Okay, I think that goes off if I take it. We're gonna plan this out. We're gonna go here. Gonna go through this window. Okay, we're gonna go through here. And move this giant truck out of here. Trust me, it's all gonna make sense. We go here. Go up there, take that. Then, I'm gonna jump through this window. Go through here. Gonna run up here, take that. Boom, jump out this window. Go in this car. And then that car, we're gonna go through here. Then we'll make our getaway. I think that looks good. Let's, try that out. Okay. Boom. Okay. Boom. And let's make our getaway.